Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general upreading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place, resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of November. So let's start. Libra, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Your partner's current feeling for you right now are, let me see. I have to reshuffle. Give one more shuffle. Universe, please let me know what Libra's partner is feeling right now. What the hell? This kind of scattered energy that you are having right now. Let me see what is happening. Six of Cups. Your partner is missing you. They are missing your energies. It could be you who are missing them very badly. But right now, I feel because this is your partner's feelings for you, this person is deeply missing you, missing all the good times that you guys had together in the past, and how you used to be together, how you used to spend your time with them, how you used to cuddle each other and hug each other and love each other. Kind of missing you very badly, missing your energy very badly. Let me clarify the Six of Cups as the feelings for you. Let me see. Five of Pentacles, Justice, and the Five of Swords. I feel like this person walked away because this person walked away from you, or they betrayed you, or because they felt like this is the right thing to do, and because they were having some kind of ego battles or ego issues with you, or you guys were having constant fights or regarding some situation, regarding the balance in this relationship. They were not getting what they required, that they were not getting what they wanted from this connection, so they tried to walk away. I feel like you guys are not talking to each other, or if you guys are talking, there's very limited communication happening between you guys, and they left because they felt lack of balance in this situation, and they felt like you're very egoistic, or they feel like, yeah, right now I'm walking away, and they walked away with pride, like kind of sense of pride, and now they're missing you very badly. Although they walked away, they are missing you very badly. Okay, they're missing your presence in their life. Let me see, what do you feel for them, Libra? Your feelings for them. Okay, Devil, you're kind of Capricorn. You could be dealing with a Capricorn. You feel obsessed with them. You feel tied down with them. You feel like you can't let them go. No matter how hard you're trying, you can't let them go. You feel like they are a very attractive person. You're addicted to them. You can't let them go. I don't know what is happening. Let me clarify the Devil as your feelings for them. Or it could be third party situation you are in, and you are not able to decide which one is the best person for you. Let me clarify. Eight of Swords and the Ten of Swords and the Two of Swords. Okay, you are obsessed with this person. You are in kind of mental jail. You are thinking about them constantly, thinking about all the negative things, all the negativities that happen, all the toxicity that is happening between you guys. Okay, and you're feeling betrayed by them. You're feeling backstabbed by them. You're feeling like, why the hell they did like that with me? And now after this betrayal thing, you're getting up and you're just waiting for them. You're just waiting for them to come towards you and tell you something, and take a decision or something. You have decided something. So you're kind of addicted to this person, and you're in some kind of mental jail, not able to come out of their thoughts. No matter how hard you're trying, you are feeling betrayed by them, but you're waiting on them. Still waiting for them to come towards you. Still waiting for some kind of decision to come towards you from this person. This is what you feel for them. Let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. Let's see. Four of Cups. They want you to decide. I feel like you are being very, very indecisive regarding this connection with them, and they just want you to decide. For God's sake, they want you to decide what you want from this connection, what you want from them. So this is kind of indecisive energy that you are in right now from a very long time. Might be you are facing the same situation, and this person is like totally frustrated now, and they are feeling like, I'm bored, I'm discontent, I'm just, I'm no longer in this game with you, and I just want you to decide. For God's sake, just decide, make a decision regarding this connection. Either accept them or reject them, but make a decision. Let me clarify. The Four of Cups as what they want from you. Five of Cups and Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. They want you to restart this connection. They want you to offer them some kind of solid commitment, or some kind of long term commitment connection or something like that. And they're walking away because they want it from you. I feel like this person is sad or depressed because you are not making any kind of decision. They want some kind of offer, or friendship, or some kind of solid commitment from you, and because they are not getting it, they are walking away. Okay, they're walking away because they are sad and depressed, and they're tired of all these games, and they want solid commitment from your side, and that's why they're walking away, because they're not getting it, and they want you to take a decision regarding this particular situation. This is what is happening, Libras. Let me see what you want from them. What do Libra want from their person? Let me see what do Libras want from their person. Lovers, you want this person to take a decision. You are highly attracted towards them. You want this person to be with you because you are highly attracted towards them. Okay, I see third party situation also here, from either from their side or from your side. This is like kind of creating problems between you guys. I have to clarify, the lovers could be dealing with the Gemini here. Let me see. They want you to take a decision. Okay, you also want them to take a decision regarding this relationship. Let me clarify. Queen of Pentacles and the High Priestess and the Page of Pentacles. You want this person to heal. You want this person to calm down, to relax, to heal from a situation, from the past situation. You want them to be mature and practical, and you want them to offer. You want them to start from a scratch level or a friendship level. You just want them to tell them. You just want them to restart this connection, but from a friendship level, and don't have high hopes as of now. You want them to decide. You want them to understand that let's heal first from the situation, whatever situation you guys were in the recent past, and you want them to listen to their intuition, tap into their intuition and restart the connection from a friendship level. Let's restart. This is what you want from them, Libra. You want them to heal, you want them to listen to their intuition, you want them to come out as an energy of a page, like, yeah, don't have high hopes, don't have high hopes of commitment or something, but yeah, let's see where it is going. Just start from friendship level. This is what you want from them. They are fed up of all these games, they are fed up of all this, going and in and out situation, and that's why they want a solid decision from your side, and you want this person to restart from a friendship level because you are still very much attracted to them, still very much attached to them. You can't let them go. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November. Let's see. Star in reverse. There's a blockage in the healing. This is the Star in the reverse. I feel like although there will be communication happening between you guys, I don't see this communication happening much on a higher level, or I feel like there is certain kind of blockages between you guys. Certain kind of healing is required before you guys proceed further in this connection. Let me clarify the Star in reverse as a potential outcome for you. Healing is required here. Ten of Wands and the Chariot and the Seven of Wands. Yeah, this is kind of burdensome situation for both of you. I feel this person is walking away, or they are trying to walk away, and they are very very determined now that I have to walk away from the situation because this is no longer serving me, and they will be very defensive towards you, very defensive towards you. They will be like, I don't care what you feel, I don't care what you want, I just want to move on because this situation is not helping me, and this situation is hurting me again and again. I can't heal from the situation, so that's why I'm just trying to move on. This is what is happening. Kind of blockages that you're going to feel till the end of November. Yep. So thank you so much, Libras, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.